October 25th card opening. We're back home, tired, but I'm gonna do a opening in the beautiful outdoors. Doc's gonna come up soon. Leaves are practically gone. Sun is out. Slight breeze. Let's open up our packs. We have our 2016 Series 1. And I'm gonna do some card organizing. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may just fall asleep. That may be all I do at all. Mike Trout, nice. Jay Bruce, Bill Withers, Trumbo, Jason Hamill, Alex Guerrero, Kane, Jonathan Shoup. So really, Trout in the first pitch. There was not much of anything going on there. Bowman Jumble. Not too much value in here. I do like the idea of having a guaranteed 2 parallels in here, though. There's some good veterans. I like a lad here. Upton, Adam Wainwright, Don Navarro, Roy Oswalt, Ed Burrell, Albert Pujols. Burrell. Yeah, these weird cards. I don't know any of them. If you know them, let me know. Curtis Granderson Gold. Okay, now we're on Chrome. This is really noticing that the shadows is messing with here. Yu Darvish, well, that one's valuable. Dexter Fowler, rookie. Jared Weaver. Bradley. Martinez. Bobby Hembree. That breeze is a little chilly. Airplane flying above. Goes in his thing. We're gonna hear from Dylan Carlson, Joey Bart, Corey Seager, Tarek Rubo. Corey Seager was a no-show. A lot of the Dodgers a no-show. Bellinger showed up. And that's where we'll end our conversation. Chrome, someone else showed up. Oh, Chris Taylor obviously showed up. Dodgers and everything, their bullpen fell apart. Their pitching fell apart from you have too many starters to I need a starter. Brandon Marquez, Bryce Harper, Tatis, Prism, Kim. Not bad. Taking a shower and stepping out in this wind is a bold move. Looks like all the lily pads have died down and went away. Soto, mythical in the back, and a backwards card, so I think we have our auto here. Jose Garcia, Dalton Jeffries, Juan Soto. Here's Juan Soto as a protector. Yeah, a bat. Haven Smith. I'm sure this is a rookie. A bad looking card though. Not horrible. Finally, premiere on this favorite channel that's watched by so many of you. We have a Ben Baller 2021. We are gonna see what the excitement is. Bregman with a lot of jazz. We already got a color. Rodakun. A lot of crashiness going on. Corey Seager, Alex Bregman. Who do we have here? Shane McCallahan, gold. Ben Baller, out of 50. Now, I'm pretty sure you're going to tell me, a little off to the left, this is probably a pretty good card. Again, it's gold, rookie, bin baller, out of 50. Let me know. I'll get it sleeved up for sure though, but that's all for today.